Hello everyone. From past few days, things are really messed up, isn't it? The news that's coming is really frustrating. Keeping that in mind, I thought to make a video. Although this type of videos is not my niche, I usually don't make such type of videos. But I thought that we as humans don't know that who in this world slash society needs a little motivation and a point on which he or she can rely on. So with the consideration, I have thought that if my video reaches to a certain number of people, maybe I am successful in helping one or two lives. And believe me, for me, if I save one life, then that will be the biggest goal I have achieved through this video. Suppose these days we are talking about depression and we are talking about mental illness, we are talking about mentally weak people. Suppose, just for a time being, suppose that tomorrow you lost half of your money and your mind is really frustrated. Your mind says that it's done, now I cannot do anything and I have to die. Just do these two steps. Close your mouth, hold your nose for 2 minutes, and then your mind will automatically say, do hell with your money and I want to live. So the same case, suppose tomorrow your love affair collapsed. You find that you get to know that your girlfriend or your boyfriend is cheating onto you and your love affair is simply getting teared off. Again your mind says, it's over now, I have nobody to rely on and I want to die. Just follow the same step. Close your mouth, hold your nose for 2 minutes and you will get your answer. Damn it, understand this. Just suiciding, just doing the suicide is not the case, is not the solution. For the time being, the life within you says that this is the most important thing that you have ever got. For God's sake, understand that. Every time you feel suicidal or depressed, just check by the thing that I have said. Close your mouth, hold your nose for 2 minutes and then you will get your answer. Please follow this. The most important thing in life that is happening to your life right now, I'm talking to everyone, everybody who's seeing this video, everybody who's not seeing this video, living in this present time, the most important thing that's happening to your life is that you are alive. Do hell with everything, do hell with anything. Whether the stocks markets have gone up, whether it is going down, whether your love is teared off, whether your financial arrangements that you have built, whether all damn arrangements that you have built around is just finished, nothing matters. Nothing matters. As far as you are alive, you can get everything back. At this point of time, I just want to quote one of the incidents said by Swami Vivekananda. Once he was sitting under a banyan tree and he was meditating. One of his students comes to him and he asks, Prabhu, दुनिया में सब चीज खोज देने से भी ज्यादा बुरा क्या है? I translated in English also. If the student came and he asked to his Swami Vivekananda, he said, Sir, what is the worst thing as compared to a man who has lost everything? Swami Vivekananda replied, the belief in yourself onto which you can get everything back. इन हिंदी, विवेकानंद जी ने कहा, वो उम्मीद खो देना जिसके भरोसे पे तुम सब कुछ वापस पा सकते हो. Whether it is the thing you have earned for years, whether it is thing that is going from so many times, it hardly matters as far as you are alive and you believe on yourself that whatever I have lost, I'll get it back. Just check the Google, check the internet. There are many people in their life who have lost everything, but they have not given up on their life. I agree that your problem is great. I agree that you have disasters in your life. I do agree. I had also many disasters. But is suiciding just because of that one disaster is enough reason to suicide? What about your people? What about your parents? What about your family members, those who are left behind? Think and then act. Now, let's talk about the solution. Problems are there. Agreed, problems are there. what can be done? As a human being, we don't have control on everything. First of all, take that as a universal fact. But then too, if you are undergoing certain problems, if you feel that you are under depression, you are going into the depression, just do one thing: talk and share. Talk, share things with your family members, with anyone. You should find one shoulder to share things on, to cry on. That's it. I will share one incident of my friend. I'm talking about this around 2 or 3 years ago. He was really a lot depressed, and something very tragic happened to him. That's why he became distressed, frustrated, and all that we call it as. He was sitting in the airport, and yes, I should say that he was getting a suicidal attempts thought, and also all like that. Suicidal thoughts he was getting into the mind. He was sitting into the airport, and then a couple came. A couple who was around 80 years of age. They both came and just sat beside my friend. They asked that, "Hello, how are you? You're not seeming right. Is there anything that you want to share?" My friend said no. First of all, he denied completely no. Second, he thought. Then he got a second thought. That he thought that we don't know him, right? We don't know them. They don't know me, so they will not judge me. So let me share the entire things. And starting from the scratch, he shared everything that was there in his life, that was going on in the present scenario of his life. The old couple listened patiently and calmly. When they were about to go, they stood up and they said, "Just take care of yourself, and before doing anything, just think about your parents." And that one sentence changed his life. I think this is really very helpful and inspiring for all of us who all are going into this kind of life scenarios. I talk about many people, they get depressed just like this. Human life is not to waste just because of these things. I share certain things that in these days, today's world, life, to many people, life means their job. Life means their dream car. Life means their all the damn things they have arranged for their life means their financial arrangement. But my dear friends, life is not at all any of these things. Life is what you are living, and you are alive. That is only life. That's it. And as I said earlier, please talk, share your things. You might have heard, बात करने से ही बात बनती है. Keep this in mind. Whether else, you are yourself, you are original. And if you are alive, you definitely can figure out the solutions of the problem, whatever problem you may have in your life. You will definitely share this. You will definitely solve this. I hope I have contributed something to someone. And I request, it's a request to all those viewers who are watching my video at this time, kindly share this video. Because we, again, as well say, we as a human, we don't know who of us is going under which circumstances and whom we are talking for the last time. Please share, please make them aware, and yes, do share this video. I'll not request to like, to subscribe on this video. I don't want any of these things, because this is video just I'm making for making all the people aware, and that's it. Thank you for listening me, and again, if possible, share. Thank you.